in full. In full. Somebody is watching. Can you even see that?
Yeah, I mean, he's my husband. He should be watching this.
It's my husband. I love it. Where's my husband?
He is.
Sana, Vicky, how do you know? Yeah, I got to do my husband. Hey, guys. You know, anything bad is all that. It's not be ringy as ngana value. In a mali le ringy.
Guys, I want to do something there. No good comments here with no labeling of.
Guys, don't do that.
Not on this live.
Let us please not mention about the guys.
I went live right now. Cute. And guys, I want to do something. Like, can you just click out on the bullying? Please. Yeah? Like, just please, guys, stop it now. It's okay. I'm happy.
Thank you, guys. Like, yeah, some of you.
That should be happy. That's it. Yeah?
Exactly. He did not take time. Chef ubonile banansi golide sana. Aqoma akayithatha igolide chef. Love it for him.
Yeah, so my kids are 5.
Yeah.
Are you coming back to the show? No. I'm not coming back. No, guys, I'm not coming back to the show. Zulu is thinking. No, just give us 2 seconds. Zulu is sleeping.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So guys, it seems like Vuyo doesn't love social media, because even on her Instagram she doesn't post more often. And you can see with this live that she did, on Instagram, kuqale kwenza live Vuyo's friend Vicky. Vicky is the one who did a live. It seems like they had gone out, you know, and then people were requesting to see Vuyo until Vuyo was okay, I'm going to go live on Instagram. Then she went live. So it seems like Vuyo doesn't like the limelight. She's just doesn't like social media. Ufuna nje ukuziphilela nje a quiet life, you know, engela drama. She strikes me as someone like that. Anyways, what I want to talk about is the fact that, wow, it's so nice to see her reprimanding people for the fact that they were bullying Tirelo. Guys, there is a Facebook page which is called Izingane Zesthembu. On that Facebook page, it's mostly Vuyo's fans. They are always bullying Tirelo on that Facebook page, and also you know, body shaming her, and they had gone to a point whereby they take pictures of Vuyokazi and Unzulu, and then they compare them to Tirelo's child, and people be laughing, you know, even shaming the child and all that. So for Vuyo to come and address it and say, guys, let's stop bullying, it shows how much, it shows how much she has really moved on from this whole drama, Tirelo drama, Mpumelelo drama, to an extent yokuthi nje akasena ndaba, akaselayo that thing yokuthi competition or whatsoever. No, because she has moved on, she has found love, she's okay, and now she's out here saying, guys, stop bullying Tirelo. That's so motherly of her also, for her to come and defend Tirelo's child online, you know, on an Instagram live, to come and try and say, guys, stop bullying Tirelo's child, stop bullying Tirelo, stop body shaming Tirelo, stop all this nonsense, you know. That's so sweet of her, that's so motherly of her. She's so kind-hearted. Minanje, from all of it, I am just saying it really shows that she has moved on. It seems like she doesn't hold a grudge against Tirelo, because if she held a grudge, now she's celebrating when people are bullying her or body shaming her or bullying the child. But she's out here saying, guys, stop it. Yeah, she is actually a mother in nature. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.